Welcome to Mentoring TV, your trusted guide for clear, reliable, and well-explained visa procedures. Whether you're applying for a Canadian visitor visa, study permit, work permit, or permanent residency, one thing is certain: at some point, you'll need to complete your biometrics. Today, we're going to take a slow, detailed, and comprehensive entire process of downloading your biometric instruction letter from your IRCC account and booking your VFS Canada biometric appointment in Kenya. Opening the IRCC portal, after entering your credentials, the system will send you a one-time password, also known as an OTP. This is a security measure used to confirm your identity. Now, check your email inbox or your phone. When the OTP arrives, copy it carefully. Return to the IRCC page, paste the code, and click Continue. The system will now grant you access to your IRCC account. Inside the portal, you'll see several sections. Application status, showing your progress. Messages, where IRCC sends official documents. Click on the Messages tab. Allow the page to load fully. You'll find a message titled Biometric Collection Letter. This letter is extremely important. It is the official authorization that allows you to proceed with your biometric enrollment. Download the file. Save it in a secure folder on your computer, preferably a folder dedicated to your visa documents. Open the file briefly to ensure it downloaded correctly. Check that the text is visible and the document is. Open a new tab in your browser. Go to Google. In the search bar, type VFS Canada Kenya. The search results will appear. Look for the official VFS Global link. It will display the Canada flag and the Kenya flag at the top of the page, confirming that you're on the correct regional site. Click the link. You'll be taken to the VFS Canada Kenya homepage. This page contains all the information you need regarding biometric appointments, visa application procedures, and the location of the Visa Application Center. Scroll down slowly. Take your time to read the information presented. You'll find the address of the Canada Visa Application Center in Nairobi. Parkfield Building, 5th floor. Tigoni Road, off James Gishuru Road. Westlands, Nairobi. A map is also provided. This map can be used for navigation on the day of your appointment, whether you're using Uber, Bolt, or any other form of transport. Pause for a moment to familiarize yourself with the location. Knowing where you're going ahead of time helps reduce stress on the day of your appointment. Look for the red button labeled Book an Appointment. It is usually positioned prominently on the page. Click the button. You'll be presented with several appointment options. Online appointment. Telephone appointment. Web form. Email. Web chat. In-person assistance. For this tutorial, we will focus on online appointment booking, as it is the most convenient and widely used method. Click Online Appointment. The system will redirect you to the VFS Global Appointment portal. Take a moment to let the page load completely. Select New User. A registration form will appear. Fill in the required details carefully. First name. Last name. Email address. Phone number. Password. Confirm password. Make sure your email address is typed correctly, as this is where your activation link and OTP will be sent. Now scroll down. You'll see the terms and conditions. Read them briefly, they explain how your data is used and how appointments are managed. Check the box to accept the terms. Next, enter the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen. This code ensures that the registration is being completed by a real person. Once everything is filled in, click Submit. The system will now send an activation email to your inbox. Open your email. Look for a message from VFS Global. Inside the email, you'll find a button labeled Activate Account. Click the button. Your VFS account is now active. Return to the appointment portal. Log in using your newly created credentials. Take your time, there's no rush. Locate the option Schedule Appointment. Click it. You'll be asked to select the Visa Application Center, Kenya, Nairobi. Number of applicants. Appointment category, biometric enrollment. Take your time to ensure each selection is correct. Then click Continue. The system will now prompt you to upload your biometric instruction letter. Click Upload File. Navigate to the folder where you saved the letter. Select the file and upload it. The system will automatically extract your details from the document. Your full name. Your date of birth. Your application number. Review the information carefully. If everything is correct, click Submit. Closed lock with key emoji. An OTP will be sent to your registered email. If the OTP doesn't arrive immediately, click Send OTP again. Refresh your email inbox. Once the OTP arrives, copy it. Return to the VFS page. Paste the code into the verification field. Click Verify. The system will now grant you access to the appointment calendar. Spiral calendar emoji. Selecting your date and time, approximately 6 minutes the calendar displays all available dates for biometric appointments. Scroll through the options. Choose a date that suits your schedule. For example, July 16, 2026. Next, choose your preferred time slot. For instance, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Take a moment to confirm your selections. Then click Confirm Appointment. The system will generate your appointment confirmation letter. Download the letter. Save it alongside your other visa documents. This confirmation letter is essential. You must present it at the Visa Application Center on the day of your biometric appointment. On the day of your appointment, make sure you carry your passport, your biometric instruction letter, your VFS appointment confirmation letter. Arrive at the center a few minutes early. Follow the instructions provided by the staff. Your biometric process will be completed shortly. For more tutorials, guidance, and educational content, stay connected with Mentoring TV.